At Hire, we like to eat well every meal. Cook creatively and healthily with Hire's wide range of cooking appliances. Perfect for any occasion, from special events to simple midweek dinners, our appliances help you to create delicious results every time. Introducing our range of Hire ovens. Depending on your cooking demands, we offer 7, 8 and 10 function ovens. A function for every food with even heat distribution and plenty of room. Enjoy healthier cooking in our ovens by using a rotisserie, which rotates and self-bastes your roasts so juices circulate evenly and fat can drip away. Or master a specific dish with advanced functions like Pastry Plus for the perfect golden crust. Our ovens also feature helpful accessories, including a wired food probe to check when food is ready and safe to eat. Depending on the model, we have self-cleaning ovens. Our pyrolytic self-cleaning ovens break down food residue at a very high temperature. With only a light ash left behind, cleaning becomes as simple as a few wipes with a damp cloth. With safety in mind, the Hire ovens are cool to touch, so the door remains safe to touch even when it's on. The non-tip shelf safety system and telescopic guides make pulling out hot dishes easy. A child lock is also included for added safety. Designed for everyday ease of use with a soft closed door and the convenience of planning meals seamlessly with programmed automatic cooking or delay start. The stylish range of Hire ovens with the refined black glass gives a modern finish to your kitchen. Designed to create a cohesive kitchen style with matching cooktop, range hood, fridge and dishwasher that will make any space modern.